high school competitive acting groups selected to compete in new competitions. GI, short for Group Interpretation, is a competitive acting ensemble that performs a show with no props or costumes. The IHSA runs its GI State Series in late March, but had trouble with 2 of the 6 sectional competitions.
IHSA, in their infinite wisdom, needed to balance the sectionals out.
Downers Grove South GI Director Chris Blum explains why the sectionals needed to be balanced out.
Unfortunately, GI is not a highly participated event, and so schools south of I-80 have very little participation, but host 2 sectionals.
DGS's GI would normally compete at the Oak Lawn sectional, but due to them being selected to switch sectional competitions, the group is now having to travel an estimated 300 miles to compete at Belleville West High School in Belleville, Illinois. GI cast member Sabrina Crowley is energetic about the trip and competition down in Belleville, Illinois.
I think it'll be pretty fun just because, I know it's a bit of a drive. State last year, we always go for a couple days, and so we get to stay overnight, and we're staying overnight at sectionals, and I think it's gonna be fun.
The DGS GI team performed their show entitled Night Circus by Aaron Morgenstern in Belleville on March 16th, placing 3rd in their sectional. They will compete at State in Sterling, Illinois on March 23rd through the 24th. In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm William Elliott.